Hi, I'm Alia. So in today's video I want to show you an app that I made for you guys. So at the moment it's only for iOS, Android is still in the making, but yeah, I'm not that good at Java and Android and those things, so Android Studio. But I made it in Swift for now, or iOS for iOS, and I want to show it to you and hopefully it helps you. And I will also make a video about the Slovenian alphabet. I want to make a fun one, so that's why I don't really have time. But once I have time I will make it for you guys. But at the moment, yeah, let's just go through the app that I made. So I will just record my screen. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. All right. And yeah, if you go to the App Store, it's really insane for me. So if you type, I think, Slovenian alphabet, like this, and here it is. So this little icon, I will put it somewhere on the screen how it actually is, since I kind of drew it and then I took a photo and then I outlined it with this pixelmator thing, so kind of like drawer, you know how you draw on the computer, because I don't have a tablet. But yeah, I hope that you like the logo. It's supposed to be a little dragon, and above it is Triglav. So Triglav is our highest mountain. And alright, so let's begin. I will just click on this one. So it's like this. See, it has a blue button, let's say. I forgot what it's called. So yeah, and then you have, if you press it, it goes to pink. So pink is my voice, yeah, so you will see in a moment. And the blue one, I actually got my friend to record the voice for me, yeah, so he was really like, what are you doing? But he did it, so let me know how you like his voice, and yeah, I will let him know. But yeah, let's just begin with his voice, because I don't want to listen to myself. So alright, I will press start, and then alright, I don't know if you heard. So and then here you have another button, which is for the word itself. Auto. So the idea is, here you have the letter, obviously, so A, the first letter of the Slovenian alphabet. Then if you press here, you will hear the voice just of the letter, and then you have an example, so of a word that starts with that letter. So a car, that would be in Slovene auto, or automobil, but that's a longer version, so auto. And here where it's, I don't know if you see, it's like a little grayish hue. So this is to help, I think, more so for English speakers, how to pronounce it. Okay, so that's what it means, yeah. And here, of course, again, you have listen. Auto. So auto, you know, like you get to hear it, and then you can slide, yeah. And you have b again, bo, bun. So basically it's in syllabuses. This one that's in light gray, not sure how to call it. Boban, like this. C, ch, and chabela. Chabela is a b, and so on. And yeah, once you go through the whole one, so let me just go. All the words that I used, or kind of we used, I guess, are hopefully everyday words. So they are useful words, not like, except I think there's one like flauta, so a flute, because we couldn't come up with a better word that starts with an F. So yeah, nose, and then orech, piškot, yeah. My mom prepared cookies, and yeah, we were eating cookies, so this one just had to be piškot. So roža, sadje, okay, I'm trying to get to the end, because I'm trying to show you the end. So ž is žoga, right? And then listen up. And when you finish, you get to this screen. So it says congratulations, and then you can go back to the start. So here I thought I would do like a fun cheering voice, you know, so, or clapping, but I just ended up recording myself playing one chord on the guitar, because I just felt it suited this whole thing more. So yeah, and then this is it. You go to the start, and like I said, if you press on this one, it's just another option. So the same thing, but only it's me speaking. Yeah, I don't like listening to myself. So okay, so now I'm out. Yeah, that's it. It's my first application, and I hope that you like it. I know it's very basic, but if someone's just starting out, I hope it can help them. And if you have some application that you would really like to see that's for learning Slovene, please let me know, and I will like really try and do my best to do it. This one took me like 2 or 3 weeks or something like that, so yeah, it might take some time. But yeah, that's it for this video. Right now I will go and record another video, since it's been more than a week since I recorded my last one. and yeah, it's gonna be about probably verbs, so verb conjugation, hopefully useful. And yeah, let me just stop recording this one. Yeah, that's it. I'm sorry it's not yet for Android. As soon as it will be, I will for sure let you know. But for now, I would be really thankful for any feedback, what you think would make the application better, or just whatever that you wish to see, so because it's made for you. So yeah, all right, I will stop talking now and I will go and record the other video. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.